All right, for those of us in Nigeria, we know that WAEC exams have started. So today we want to explore a question which has to be done within the laws of indices. Please, when you watch, ensure you share and subscribe to our channel so we should be able to be kept abreast with each time we upload a video. Without much ado, let's dive in. We have we have to simplify 1 over 3 raised to the power 5n times 9 raised to the power n minus 1 times 27 raised to the power n plus 1. Now the best thing we do is let us do an inspection. We discover that 3, 9 and 27 are the bases, and fortunately for us, 3, 9 and 7 can be expressed as indices with the base of 3. So the best thing to do is to always change all the bases to be in form of base of the lowest base. The lowest of 3, 9 and 27 is 3. So we are going to express this to be in base 3. So that's 3 equals 3 raised to the power 1, and 9 equals 3 times 3 equals 3 raised to the power 1, 2, 3 raised to the power 2, and 27 equals 3 times 3 times 3 equals 3 raised to the power 1, 2, 3. So in that case, let's remove all these and put in their indices in terms of 3 as the base. So let's dive in. This will give us equals to 1 over 3 raised to the power 5n times, take away this now, make it 3 raised to the power 2 into n minus 1 times 27 becomes 3 to the power 3, 3 to the power 3 into n plus 1. Next we do now is to open up the brackets. So this will give us 1 over 3 raised to the power 5n times 3, 2 times n is 2n, 2 times minus 1 is minus 2 times 3, 3 times n is 3n, 3 times 1 is 3. Now the next thing we do now is, let's deal with this. We know that a negative index denotes a fraction. So if we have 1 over a raised to the power n, it's going to be given by a raised to the power minus n. Apply this here now. Let's simplify this to be 3 raised to the power minus 5n for this. So times 3 raised to the power 2n minus 2 times 3 raised to the power 3n plus 3. Now, since they are now in the same base, we know that a raised to the power x times a raised to the power y is equals a raised to the power x plus y, since they have the same base. In that case, now let's add up the indices since they are in the same base. This will give us 3 raised to the power minus 5n plus bracket 2n minus 2 plus bracket again 3n plus 3. This will give us 3 raised to the power minus 5 plus. Now these brackets may not be meaningful because we are working with plus, but each time we are working with minus, they are compulsory. But if it is for addition, they may be neglected. But please, if you have minus there, please, the brackets are necessary. Let's go. Let's write down. So open up the brackets. Plus 2n minus 2 plus 3n plus 3. Now let's collect like terms. This will give us minus 5n plus 2n is more like saying you are owing 5 million naira and you have 2 million naira at home on your bank account. once you pay your 2 million naira, you are going to still be owing 3 million, 3M. So this will give us minus 3M. Now, minus 3M plus 3M, you are owing 3 million naira and you have 3 million naira. That is minus 3 million plus the 3 million you have. That means once you pay your debt, you are having nothing. So minus 3N plus 3N is 0. Now, minus 2 plus 3, you are owing 2 and you have 3. So 3 minus 2 will be just 1. That is equals to 3 raised to the power 1. And the final answer is